Today I'm showing you how to make an easy and delicious cherry cheesecake puff pastry strudel. This is one of the easiest desserts you'll ever make, and it looks and tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. To make the strudels, you'll only need a small handful of ingredients. You'll need prepared puff pastry, a small amount of flour so the pastry doesn't stick to your work surface, no-bake cheesecake filling, cherry pie filling. You can either use store-bought or homemade. Either one will work. 1 egg for the egg wash that will make the strudels a pretty golden color after baking, and some confectioner's sugar for the final finishing touch. Once the pastry is rolled and ready, spread the cheesecake filling evenly down the center of the pastry and top it with the pie filling, making sure to leave enough room on both sides in order to fold the pastry over the filling. For the second side, use the egg wash as glue and press the pastry gently to form a seal. By the way, this recipe makes 2 strudels, so that's why some of the sequences are out of order. Now you can crimp the edges firmly with a fork. And the final step before baking is to brush the entire strudel with the egg wash. Once out of the oven and completely cooled, feel free to sprinkle it liberally with powdered sugar. There you have it, crispy, flaky, crunchy perfection. It's time to eat. Thanks so much for watching. Please check the description box for additional information. And don't forget to visit my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.